Alright, so I want to show you how to change to different drawer guides. If they're not provided within the PAC library, maybe you don't want to use the Richelieu Optimize R, or you don't want to use the all Titus drawer boxes. You can actually just go into the settings tab and switch to whatever drawer guide you want to use. A few notes and a little word of caution. Right now, the Optimize R are using the 32 millimeter line bore system. You switch to something else that's drilling its own holes, that's fantastic. Just make sure that it's something that you've tested and proved out before you cut an entire job. Definitely cut a sample before you just go for it. So if we go to 563H, you're going to see that there are new holes here from the boring pattern for that drawer guide. And then you could pick your drawer box and it will populate. One thing you have to be really careful with most of these closets, pretty much all 32 millimeter closets, they're going to start at around 14 inches deep, a little over 14. And that's important because you need to be using 14-inch drawer guides. If you don't, you you stuck to 563H, that would bring you down to a 12-inch drawer guide, and that's not going to be enough room to really fit much into. Obviously, these hutch cabinets are a little deeper. They're about 19. You can get away with an 18-inch drawer. But if it's a shallow drawer, 14, you would need to use side mounts or find some undermounts that have 2-inch increments. You can always send me a message, and I'll let you know if there's something else, any new products out, or if you found something you want to use. You can always just go for it, or let me know, and I can help you implement it. But just make sure that uh, it can fit within a 14-inch section, because if you change 14 to maybe 16, so that you can get a 15-inch drawer guide in there, now this front line bore is going to be pretty far forward, and you'll have to you'll have to custom bore for your hang rods, which is fine. It's not hard to set up. I'll make another video for that, but that's not the intention of the library. The library is supposed to be drag and drop, fully customizable on site in case you have you need to lower a closet rod for something or a fixed shelf. When you start to do custom bore, you don't have as much of that flexibility. So try to stay within 14 deep and just know what's going to fit inside the sections.